Thank you very much for joining us in the last day in the afternoon for the Embedded Forum. I would like to introduce myself. I'm from company AAEON. I'm director of AI IoT Alliance. I want to start from my job title. 5 years ago, you don't hear this kind of job title for the Alliance. Or you will hear something very similar like eco-partner manager. So you don't hear this kind of a job title 3 or 5 years ago, because at that time, what we need is a salespeople. We need a business development manager. Because we want to sell our product to more and more customers. So we need someone who knows who is the customers. But now the things change. We come to the age of AI and IoT. We know who customer is, or we probably don't know customer who are the customers, because in the whole ecosystem and value chain also change, because a lot of the new startup company, we don't know them. Then also there are a lot of customers, we know them, but we no longer can provide what they need anymore. So I would like to share something what I observed from my business. So this is a simplified architecture for the IoT when we say edge and cloud. I remember when 3 years ago, people start to say, oh, we go for IoT now. Then I said, M2M. Why is IoT? You just put one module, you give connectivity, you say, hey, we go to IoT. So most of the embedded manufacturer like us, we were still focused on hardware. We think, okay, IoT give connectivity, our job done. That's what we think. Then also we think, oh, maybe market doesn't have much change. But gradually, what we see is, wow, this is real IoT. This is real the relationship with edge and cloud. Then previous were here, we provide M2M gateway. We thought our job is done. This is an example from Microsoft. Then I take this example is because it mentions a lot of requirements needed. But very sad thing is that today, as a manufacturer, today, for those IoT AI solutions, you find a lot of suppliers in the market. Microsoft, Amazon, there are a lot of names. You probably never mention about it, but they are strong in IoT management, AI and cloud field. So if we stay here, previously, we said, OK, let's identify market, which market we want to do. OK, we need the M2M. OK, we handle the sensor community. For the rest, sorry, customer, figure out yourself. But don't forget, IoT Industrial 4.0, that's also something new to our customer. They are also they have no clue about, OK, so then how am I going to build my solution from here to there? So wherever is a difficulty, then there is opportunity. For developers, they are struggling. Previously, their struggling is, oh, Intel have a new CPU, let's move from this generation to next generation. That's the only thing they need to worry about, because product phase out, let's migrate our software to the next level. Today, they need to think about which hardware platform could already integrate all the worries I mentioned here. Then, after they solve this problem, then, OK, I gave an example of Microsoft, but there are still tens of AI and IoT solutions, what I should do, which one I should choose, which one will fit my industry. I would like to share the value chain of AI IoT. Here's the customer. Then, as AAEON, we provide a hardware platform. Here's us. If we stay with here, then what will come to us is a price competition. Then what will come to us is we have a more and more similar product than even ourselves cannot identify it. So our vision is how can we broaden our spectrum in this value chain? Are we able to integrate with those sensors, the hardware device? Are we able to manage all the arrangements with the connectivity provider, with the system, with ISV, with the software vendor? Yeah, are we able to transfer ourselves to the service provider? So many of you are in the embedded business. You probably find your position here, but then for everybody, no matter which block you are, I believe we all come to a situation we need to think how to broaden our spectrum. How can I serve more things so that the customer come to us, we can give them a very short time to market. As AAEON, we're thinking, okay, if I want to broaden my spectrum from the sensors to the service provider, then what should I do? We have to identify a few vertical markets. Because we couldn't do everything. That's a fact we have to face. So we have to identify what market. We have customers. We have a solution. We have partners. We work with sensors. We present our gateway. We manage the connectivity. The most important is we need to provide them the IDEs, then SDK, toolkit, OS, then give them the open box experience. So let's imagine if I can settle all of this for my customer, then it's going to save my customer a lot of work to find out compatibility, solution, and also to fit their vertical market needs. So in the past 3 years, we spent a lot of work to develop an ecosystem because we are still only strong here. We cannot change overnight. We also have our sensor manufacturer, also have experts in every vertical market. It's also impossible for everyone. So what we do is, since we have a very clear view, that's what we want to do, then we work with partners. We work with partners, which we can use our hardware, come up with their software, then build up a solution. Then with this solution, we go to vertical market. Our goal is, you are in retail business, here is your retail development kit. You are in the fleet management, here is your fleet management development kit. What is it solved? It is solved from the sensor side to the gateway side, your IoT, even AI side. So the developers could focus on what their company, where their company can deliver value. So this is what we have built today. Previously, we see these kind of things that like, okay, great, you have so many logos. So just Google try to put as many logos as possible. That's not our goal. Yeah, if I only have logos, then what does it mean to my customer? What I want to tell my customers is behind every logo, I know who I can connect you together. I know who can understand your difficult needs. Then I bring him to table to discuss your difficulty, your business challenge. Then we bring the solution together. So you can see, for the silicon, we are very Intel-minded today. 95% of our product is based on Intel. Then we work very closely with Intel for a lot of solution kit. We provide many different connectivity. Then we make our product certified. Because in embedded, we have one challenge is our customer, they are low volume, high mix, so nobody wants to certify any system with connectivity. But today, in Europe, yeah, CE certification change. For the RF signal, if we package, we must certify it. So we manage this to put together with our most popular platform, UpSquare. Then we certify all the connectivity. Then customer don't need to worry about, oh, after I finish, then I need to go to certification. No, you don't worry. We work with different connectivity service provider. So with Stream, we put their SIM card with a basic data plan. So for developers, when they just put into, they can, if they open the box, there is already a 4G data plan, 3G data plan for them to play with. With Akesa, what we do is they have the eSIM. Yeah, so when you don't want to have a SIM, you want to switch one machine's connectivity, then you can manage it remotely. Of course, we need to make all the cloud connectivity available. It's not our job to choose which cloud platform customer to use, but it's our job to make it ready for our customer. For the IoT, we have all kinds of IoT management framework partners. So every of them have their own strengths. Yeah, let's say IoT in a box. We recently launched it in our shop, UpShop. So what I like this product is when you set up an IoT management environment, most of the developers, they have to, okay, this is a device I connect, then, okay, I choose one IDE environment, then start to search, is it connect? How? For IoT in a box, there's a barcode. So you just use your iPhone, scan, then, of course, you download the app first, you scan it, device on your iPhone, then you can see where then this device is automatically in your IoT management dashboard. So we have many similar collaboration. Then what we do is we bring the solution kit. So according to the strengths of every partner, we develop solution kit to solve our customers' problem. We have in AI, we have many different companies we already work together. Because the most important thing is today when we talk with the end user about AI, do you need an AI solution? I think we need. So what's your approach? I don't know. So our approach, we notice a lot of companies, rich company, let's hire a consultancy. Let's pay 50,000, 100,000, let's consultancy to tell us what to do. But not every company can afford that. So what we do is we have the AI Vision Development Kit as a base kit. Then we also developed the vertical market AI kit. Then every kit only costs like $700. Then with the $700, you explore to understand what AI help your business. Then after that, we bring our partner to talk about business case. So we work with all the partners here, sensors, image size, also the field bus, everything. So what we want to bring our customer experience is for AI and IoT, we make the base ready for you. We have a partner there ready for you. This is all the kits we have collaborated with our partners. From AI Vision Development Kit, to vertical market for the safety AI, retail AI, IoT for the IQI protocol, for the LoRa in the automation. So we have a lot of different kits. We need to think about if a customer, they can buy the kit in 3 days, they buy it, get it in 3 days, then they start to develop. Then it means we are closer to our business. The world is changed a little bit. The customer cannot wait for 6 to 8 weeks for one ball. Then wait for another 2 months when you have a software porting finish. What we do is we have done all the job in the background, make everything ready. Then for customer, it is in 1 week. They should make their application already run on it. What else we do? we validate a lot of software. So with this software, then customer, even they buy one kit, they can easily switch to another software because we make it downloadable for free. So they can easily switch to try which one is easier for them. They only need to follow us for what we have validated. So they don't need to try and fail. No, try what we already know it will succeed. So these are all cloud connectors. Today we have qualified, so which make a customer life easier. So I want to share with everything I mentioned what we have achieved. Because we make it so easy. Developers love it very much. So today we have 200 videos created by YouTubers. They buy it, they have a nice experience, they make it based on to apply to the application. They make a video to share to the world. We have an 8,500 online shop at our shop called UpShop. So UpShop is a portal for everyone if you want to develop the embedded solution. This is somewhere you can start your prototype and bring the same prototype to field deployment. Then also, we have 4,000 community members. We open a public forum. So you have any question, you discuss with developers together, then say, hey, I also have this problem before, then that's how I solve it. Then all the document is open for download. We don't keep it secretly in the drawer anymore. Previously, you need to contact sales. Can you give me 3D step drawing of this product? Oh, okay, I check with my engineer. 1 week later, you get it. No, right now, everything's online with community. Our support team is there. There are more other developers there. In 2 years, this base platform will sell 80,000 pieces. Because of this is all standard product without any modification. Because we make all the ecosystem ready, then customer feels easy. We generate a lot of job opportunity. Then we have a very large subscribers on our mailing. Here, I would like to share with you what the benefit our eco-partner can bring to us. These are all live demo at our booth now. So later, I will welcome you to visit us at our booth in Hall 1350, company AAEON. You can see we work with different partners. This is for the AI retailer. This is for the automation. This is for LoRa. So we showcase we are doing it. Then this is not something for demo. For a lot of demo, there are a lot of trick behind the wall. No, there's no tricky. You just see it, then go to buy it at our shop. Then you have the same thing for yourself. Then in AI, we have for the safety. Then we also have for the food. You can check out just by put your food tray there. Then the AI knows, oh, okay, you have 1 Coca-Cola, then 1 beer, then 1 meal. That's €12. Then another thing I want to emphasize, then also say thanks to my Intel partner. I see one of my Intel partners here. Yeah, we work closely together to bring the Square IoT Group Kit last year when, actually not last year, 2 years ago, 2017, Q3. Yeah, to make IoT accessible and easy for everybody. So this you see in Intel Developer Zone. People can just buy it, then get started with all the tutorial. So whole team of Intel work hard to enable more than 400 sensors ready to run on UpSquare board. Then for the AI Vision Kit, this is what we launched last year, also in Q3. Then with this one, you can have Intel Movidius inside. Then to try the power of a VPU. Then to understand the power of OpenVINO, how you can distribute the workload among the VPU, GPU, and CPU. So that's the work we have done with our partners. Then what I want to emphasize is today, when we see come to AI and IoT, this is really not a word we can do it alone. Then to broaden our spectrum, then we need more partners. Then I would like to share this experience, then to tell you how many customers, the world-leading customer, this bring to us. Then if you are interested to know more our solution, or you are interested to be part of our ecosystem, I welcome you to visit us at our booth in Hall 1350. Thank you very much.